Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I've got something really cool to show you. It's the new mod for the Spike Volleyball Story that's working on both Android and iOS devices. Make sure to stick around until the end so you don't miss any details, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss more content like this. So let's jump right in. This is the modded version of the Spike Volleyball Story, and as you can see, there's a mod menu that you can open just by tapping the gear icon. Inside the mod menu, the main feature lets you get unlimited V-points instantly. There are also some extra options to tweak the game the way you like. To make sure this mod works properly, you'll need to have the latest version of the Spike Volleyball Story installed on your device. It's important because older versions might not support the mod features. And I know a lot of you will ask where to get this mod. I actually left a comment right below this video explaining exactly how you can get access to the modded version of the Spike Volleyball Story. Make sure to check that out after watching. If this mod works for you, I'd love to hear about it. Drop a comment and let me know. And of course, subscribing really helps me out to keep making videos like this one. Thanks so much for watching, I really appreciate it. And one last thing, remember, you can get this mod on ojapbox.com.